welcome back to Clinic Days. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now because we're here to spread some good vibes and bright smiles. I know that everyone wants to sit with themselves, everyone wants to listen to their thoughts, but I get that. It is hard to sit with our own self, it is hard to understand this complicated thing. But what you can do, you can at least try. So I always feel कि meditation कहीं से सीखा नहीं जा सकता. It is a self-learned practice and I'm not gonna teach you how to do meditation. But I can teach you how to prep yourself up to go into that zone and find your peace. So without further ado, let's get into this beautiful video. So very first thing that I will always tell कि हमेशा एक ही जगह पे एक ही टाइम पे हमें मेडिटेशन करना है because I always suggest this कि place has energy and time has memory and जब भी आप एक ही जगह पे एक ही टाइम पे मेडिटेशन करते हो या फिर कोई भी चीज़ करते हो तो वो आपके माइंड में प्रोग्राम्ड रहती है, तो आपको हर बार बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती कि आपको ये सब चीज़ें करनी है. You will automatically start doing that. So always have that same place and same time for your meditation. तो नाउ हमें हमेशा हमारा स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखना है. आपका आसन कुछ भी हो सकता है, एक सोफा कवर, एक टेबल, एक चेयर, but wherever you sit always have that spine straight, neck nice and long, and posture is very important to focus. My meditation starts with a beautiful prayer of gratitude. So take a deep breath in, start with me, okay? Just take out your yoga mat or wherever you are now, just start with me, okay? Take a deep breath in. Just join your both the hands and exhale from mouth. Okay, in this whole meditation I'm gonna use this breath, like inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. Maybe your breath may sound like only this, but you need to increase the capacity of these babies, these lungs babies. So just keep on trying, okay? Have that deep long breath. Just be grateful for that one thing throughout the day. It may be your parents, your body, your teacher, your friend, anybody. And start this prayer with a heart full of gratitude. Okay, you're all set for beautiful meditation. Okay. The next thing is your mudra. You can use this mudra, or you can simply, just put your hands like this or this. You can now, you cannot watch this, but it just depends on you, okay? It's your own personal practice, so do whatever you feel comfortable, okay? So I always do this or use this mudra, okay? And now just start your beautiful meditation. Take a deep breath in and just close your eyes. This is a very beautiful breath. Nowadays whenever I get angry or I get anxious, I use this breath. Just do it with me, okay? Just inhale from nose and exhale from mouth. Felt it? You will instantly feel relaxed and totally different person. So firstly, we are gonna just take these type of breaths, like inhale from nose, exhale from mouth. Let's start again. One more time. You know what? You can do this how many times you want. 5 times, 10 times, 12 times. The moment you feel like, okay, I'm done with this, then just stop. It can be 1 breath, 2 breath or 3 breath, but I can assure you कि ये breath इतनी healing and इतनी powerful है ना कि you don't want to stop. So just keep on doing that. And the next thing is We are gonna use these hands, babies. Put your left hand on your heart in such a way that your palm can feel your heartbeat. Just put it like that. I am feeling it. And your right hand on your lower belly. So how many times you do that, यार? I mean, I don't think कि किसी भी इंसान को ये करने का टाइम मिलता है कि they are listening to their own heartbeat. So just do it with me, okay? Take a deep breath in again and exhale from mouth. One more time. Again. Now this time deep and long breath. Observe the movement of your belly, observe the movement of your heart. It's just, whenever you take that breath in, your stomach just expands, and when you exhale, it just contracts. It's the most beautiful feeling. Just feel it, okay? And the third thing is side to side. Yeah. So let's start, okay? Close your eyes. What we are going to do in this step is, while inhaling the breath, we are going to just do this, and while exhaling, back to the center. That's it. Just do it. Exhale up. Inhale down. Exhale up. So here, the natural tendency of body is doing this, okay? But always remember, have that good posture. Don't move from here, okay? We don't need this body parts. Just we are gonna focus on nose and this. So just do it with me. You're gonna feel that deep stretch here. So just feel it, okay, for a little while, and then exhale. That's it. You can do this for 1 time, for 2 times, for 3 times, for 4 times. The moment you feel like, okay, I am into this zone where I can sit with myself, where I can talk to myself, where I can just be myself. And the fourth thing is, inhale for 4 seconds, hold it for 4 seconds, and exhale it out for 4 seconds. It is very easy and very beautiful practice. So let's start with me. All of those things, I always just sit with myself. I always focus on my breath. I always just simply focus on my breath, or focus here, or just tell myself that I need to be more kind. I need to be better version of myself. So it doesn't matter कि आप कितने घंटे मेडिटेशन करते हो, but what matters the most कि आप बाकी के 21, 22 या 23 घंटे कैसे रहते हो, आप कैसे बात करते हो, कैसे लोगों के साथ रहते हो. Because there are still days when I do hours and hours of meditation, but I still get angry. I am on this path of becoming a better version of myself. I am not the perfect person, but what you can do, that just be kind with yourself. Don't tell yourself, no, it's not gonna work. It is going to work. It will work for you if you're gonna try regularly, okay? Just practice this beautiful meditation. There are different ways of doing meditation, okay? It's just my meditation routine. I hope it can help you some way or the other. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep spreading some good vibes and white smiles. Bye-bye. Hey, didn't see you there. So if you like this video or even don't like it, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you find it helpful, share it with your friends and smash that like button and leave a comment below.
बाय बाय।
hurt you like I hurt you.